Hey guys, it's Cody from Toyota. Just want to quickly show you the new lift kit that they brought out for the Tacomas. It's a factory install, or something you could do here. It's a quick add-on. Main feature of it is it does work with all your Toyota Safety Sense features, as well as it completely covered under your factory warranty as well. If you take a look here, they do add the TRD Pro grille. It does work with all your Toyota Safety Sense features like your dynamic cruise control. If you take a look on the side, you do have a 2-inch lift in the front with the Bilstein shocks. You can see the red covers down below. And the rear, they do have a 1-inch lift, same thing, Bilstein shocks with the red covers. And again, I just want to note that this all does work with your Toyota Safety Sense features as well as your manufacturing warranty. You're not voiding anything like that. If it's something you're interested in, just give our service department a call. There will be a phone number down below. Thanks again.